Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Cherie and today's video is all about Dr. Jart's traveling kit sensation. Okay, it's not really a sensation. I'm just adding that part to the end because I just felt like it needed that part, but stay tuned. So this is Dr. Jart's traveling kit, which has all the best sellers. It retails at £18 in ASOS, but it's worth £24. I liked some things, I didn't like some things. So yeah, let's get into the review. The first one is Clear Micro Foam Micro Mousse. I really enjoyed this product. I really liked it. I really like foam gels on the face, and this is only the second one that I've tried. The first one I tried, which is the Cheeks and Balances by Origins, but I really like this. It felt really nice. It smells like cut grass, like cut lemongrass, but very subtle. I enjoyed the foam. I enjoyed the circling motions in the shower. I just enjoy the product. When I finish the product, it isn't drying. My face doesn't feel overly dry. I don't feel like I have to overstretch it. It just feels nice and clean and clear, and I only have to use a very small amount with this product, and it just feels really nice. I just love it. So this one is, so the traveling size is only 30 mils, which is actually a good amount because you really don't need to use that much all over the skin. You only need to use like a pea size amount on the skin. The big size is 150 mils and it's £16. I'm still wondering if to buy it or not because I'm still budgeting to clear all my debts and to start saving, but I feel like it will be a really good investment for me, especially because I like it so much and it just allows me to enjoy my face care routine that much more. So I'm still on the fence whether I'm going to buy it or not, but we'll see. Next one is the Hydroshot Essence. It's a watery consistency. I was really excited to try this product because when I was traveling around Asia, I saw a lot of essence. I didn't understand what it was for, what it was about, because I was starting to build up my skincare routine then. So when I saw this in the travel pack, I was excited to try it. I was so excited to try it. It has no alcohol, no SLS, no parabens, alcohol free, and it is fragrance free. It has a very minute fragrance that I can smell when I'm applying it to my skin, but it disappears and it just feels really nice on the skin. I felt like my skin felt plumped, it felt hydrated, and it was literally ready for the next step when I used it. It does have hyaluronic acid in this solution already, which is good because I have the hyaluronic acid serum, so I guess I don't have to use that if I'm using this, and it's just quite nice. I quite enjoy using it. It feels like a treat to use an essence because I use my serum as well, so we'll see if this comes back into my staple routine, but at the moment, in the meantime, whilst I'm trying out everything, I'm just have to put it on the side and keep on trying it out and see what happens and what comes. Do I include an essence? Do I not include an essence? I don't know. The next product is a Cica Repair Dermagreen Solution Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. I don't need this product. It's for redness of the skin, but I tried it nevertheless on the full surface of my skin to actually see what it's all about. I don't feel like I need any great color correcting with redness because I don't really have redness to the skin when I use products or outside in the environment, but I thought that I would give it a try considering it came into the packet. When I applied it onto the skin, I just felt like it made my skin grey, but it has SPF 30 in there, so that's probably the reason why. It's supposed to apply green and then change to a beige colour so it can match your skin tone. Once I applied my moisturizer on top, it did settle down, but I wanted to apply it to the full surface of my skin so I actually could compare it to my neck. I probably didn't have to do that, but I felt for me it was best to do it that way so I can actually kind of review the product fully. The product is quite nice. Smelling, it smells like herbs. It's a thick paste, probably will be good for people who have redness of the skin. I'm not a skin expert, I just like to try out products and now I'm trying them on camera. I wouldn't buy this product again. It's £36 for the 50ml products, for the full size product, and I don't feel like I actually need this in my skincare routine because I don't have any problems with redness at this point, but I will keep this in my stash, so if I do get any redness or any problems on the skin that it says for it to be used for, then I'll try it out and give it and see what it's like. Lastly is the moisturizer, which is very nice on the skin. Just look at this product. Just look at the jar. I'm just in love with the jar. It just reminds me of the 90s with oily and the product inside. I just love it. So it's a win for me, even with the product, just with the product, the jar. I just like the jar. But this is the Vital Hydra Solution Biome Water Cream, and it is a very thin consistency, but it is very hydrating. I felt like my face didn't feel dry at all, even if I didn't use the whole collection. I've used this on its own with other products as well, and I felt like it did a good job. But like I said, I did find it was very hydrating. This also has hyaluronic acid as well to help boost the skin hydration, which was really nice. And it's also really nice to have in the fridge, and I apply a good amount to the skin. And yeah, and that's about it. That was the 4 products for Dr. Jart's Traveling Kit Essentials, and I really enjoyed this product. I really enjoyed the cleansing foam, I enjoyed the moisturizer, I enjoyed the essence. The only one that I didn't enjoy was the skin correcting balm, because I didn't feel like I needed that product. And that's it. That's the product review finish. So if you want to see any more videos like this, click in the box below. I have videos that I'm going to be doing for product reviews and videos on my budget. So until then, I shall see you lovelies in my next video.